Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Hi, Lily. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Today, I want to talk about our free time. Do you like to talk about what you do in your free time?
Yes, I like to talk about my free time. I think free time is important because it helps me relax and have fun.
That is true. I have many questions about what you do when you are not working or studying. Can we talk about that?
Of course, Lily. I am happy to share my free time activities with you.
Jack, what does free time mean to you?
For me, free time means the time when I can do things that I enjoy. I do not have to work or study. I can relax, play sports, or read a book.
I agree. Free time is the time to do hobbies, meet friends, or simply rest. I like to use my free time to be creative and active.
Yes, being active and creative makes me feel happy and healthy.
It is also a time to plan for new projects or learn something new. Free time is very valuable. Jack, what do you usually do at home during your free time?
At home, I like to read books and watch movies. I also listen to music and sometimes cook a new recipe.
That sounds nice. I often spend my free time at home too. I like to paint and draw. Sometimes I also write in my journal.
Painting and drawing are very relaxing. I sometimes try to sketch things I see in my garden.
I enjoy writing. It helps me think and organize my ideas. Do you have a favorite book or movie that you like to watch?
Yes, I love reading mystery novels. I also like to watch adventure movies. They make me feel excited.
What do you do outside when you have free time, Jack?
I like to go for a walk in the park or ride my bicycle. Sometimes I go jogging in the morning.
I love being outside too. I often go to the park and sit under a tree. I enjoy the fresh air and the sunshine.
Walking and cycling are very good for my health. They help me clear my mind and relax.
Yes, and jogging makes me feel energetic. I sometimes listen to music while I run.
That is a good idea. Music makes exercise more fun, and the time goes by quickly.
Jack, do you spend your free time with friends?
Yes, I do. I often meet my friends in the afternoon. We sometimes go to a cafe or play sports together.
That is wonderful. I like to meet my friends for a chat or to play board games. Sometimes we have a picnic in the park.
Picnics are fun. We share food and talk about our day. I also like to go to the cinema with my friends on weekends.
I enjoy going to the cinema too. Watching a good movie with friends is very enjoyable.
Social activities help me feel connected and happy. It is important to have friends in your free time.
What hobbies do you have, Jack?
I have several hobbies. I like reading, playing the guitar, and cooking. I also enjoy gardening on weekends.
That is a lot of fun. I like to paint and write short stories. I also enjoy dancing sometimes.
Dancing is a great hobby. It helps you to be active and express yourself.
Yes, I feel free when I dance. My creative hobbies help me relax after a busy day.
I agree. Working on creative projects is a good way to spend free time. It makes me feel proud and happy.
Jack, do you like sports in your free time?
Yes, I do. I like to play football with my friends on weekends. I also play basketball sometimes.
I enjoy sports too. I like to play volleyball and sometimes go swimming.
Sports are very healthy. They make our bodies strong and help us have fun.
I agree. Even a short game can improve your mood and energy.
I also try to do some exercises at home, like stretching and light workouts.
That is a good habit. Exercise is important for both the body and the mind. What do you do when you want to relax, Jack?
When I want to relax, I like to listen to calm music or meditate for a few minutes. Sometimes I take a short nap.
I also enjoy quiet time. I sometimes read poetry or just sit by the window and watch the birds.
Meditation helps me feel calm and reduces my stress. It is a good way to clear my mind.
Yes, I find that quiet time is important after a busy day. It helps me prepare for the next day.
I believe that rest and relaxation are as important as work or study.
How do you usually spend your weekends, Jack?
On weekends, I have more free time. I often plan a mix of activities. I usually start my Saturday with a morning run.
I like that. After running, I sometimes go to the park to do yoga or have a picnic with my family.
On Saturday afternoons, I often meet with my friends for a meal or a movie. It is a good way to end the weekend.
I enjoy spending weekends with my family and friends too. Sometimes I visit my parents or go shopping for new books.
Weekends are a time to relax and do the things we love. They help us recharge for the next week.
Jack, do you ever use your free time to learn something new?
Yes, I do. I sometimes take online courses or watch videos to learn new skills, like a new guitar song or a cooking recipe.
That is a great idea. I like to learn new languages with my free time. I practice a few words every day.
Learning something new makes free time productive and fun.
I also read articles and watch documentaries about history and science. It helps me learn more about the world.
I believe that free time is not only for rest, but also for growing and learning.
Jack, do you plan your free time or do you decide it on the spot?
I try to plan my free time a little bit. I make a simple schedule for the week. I write down when I want to exercise, read, or meet friends.
I do that too. Planning helps me make sure I do all the things I enjoy. I write a list of my hobbies and activities for each day.
That is a good habit. A plan helps me use my free time well and not waste it.
Yes, it also helps me balance work and play. I feel happier when I have a plan.
I agree. A simple schedule can make free time more productive and relaxing.
Sometimes, it is hard to decide what to do in free time. Do you have any problems, Jack?
Yes, sometimes I feel too tired, and I do not know whether to rest or to do something active.
I understand. Sometimes I feel lazy and choose to watch TV all day, even when I have many hobbies I want to try.
I think it is normal. We all have days when we do less. The important thing is to try to use our time well.
I try to set small goals for my free time. For example, I plan to read one chapter of a book or practice drawing for 20 minutes.
That is a good idea. Small goals help me to get started, and then I feel motivated to do more.
Yes, little steps are very helpful. It is all about balance and knowing your limits. Jack, do you spend your free time with your family?
Yes, I do. I like to have dinner with my family, and sometimes we play board games or watch a movie together.
I love spending free time with my family too. We often go to the park on Sunday mornings and have a picnic.
Family time is very important. It makes me feel connected and loved.
I agree. Even simple activities like talking or walking together make a big difference.
I always try to save some free time for my family, even if I am busy.
Jack, do you use social media in your free time?
Yes, I do, but I try not to use it too much. I check my messages and look at photos of my friends, but I also set time limits.
I feel the same. I like to use social media to keep in touch with friends, but I also want to spend time doing other things.
Sometimes, social media can take too much time. I try to balance it with reading or outdoor activities.
That is smart. It is good to have a balance between online and offline free time. What do you do to relax when you feel stressed, Jack?
When I feel stressed, I like to listen to calm music and do deep breathing exercises. I also sometimes take a short nap.
I use similar methods. I like to drink a warm cup of tea and sit quietly for a few minutes.
These small relaxation techniques help me clear my mind and feel refreshed.
Yes, they are very helpful. I also like to write in my journal when I am stressed. It helps me organize my thoughts.
That is a good idea. Writing is a great way to relax and reflect on your day.
Jack, have you ever gone on a small adventure during your free time?
Yes. Sometimes on weekends, I take a short trip to a nearby town or go hiking in the mountains. It is very refreshing.
That sounds exciting. I sometimes drive to the countryside with my friends. We walk and enjoy nature.
Outdoor adventures make me feel alive. I like to explore new places and see different views.
I agree. Being in nature helps me forget about my worries and enjoy the beauty of life.
Yes, and these adventures are a great way to use free time for fun and exercise.
What are your plans for your free time in the near future, Jack?
I plan to join a local club to learn photography. I have always liked taking pictures of nature and city life.
That is a great plan. I want to learn how to play the guitar better. I will take a few lessons next month.
Learning new skills is a wonderful use of free time. I also plan to read more books and maybe start a blog about my adventures.
I would love to read your blog. I also plan to visit a new art exhibition and maybe try painting again.
Our free time plans sound exciting. It is good to have goals for our leisure time.
Yes, planning helps us to look forward to the days off and enjoy our hobbies even more. Jack, talking about free time makes me realize how important it is to have a balance between work and fun.
I agree, Lily. When I use my free time well, I feel happy and less stressed. It is important to have a hobby, exercise, and relax.
Free time is also a chance to learn more about ourselves. We can try new activities and meet new people.
Yes, I feel that every time I try something new, I learn a little more about what I like and what makes me happy.
I always try to plan my week so that I have time for both work and leisure. It makes my life more balanced.
That is very true. Balance is the key to a happy life. I am happy when I spend my free time doing what I love.
Jack, I really enjoyed our long talk about free time today. I learned many ideas about how to use my free time better.
I enjoyed our conversation, Lily. Talking about our free time makes me feel inspired to try new activities and to plan my days carefully.
Yes, our free time is a gift. It gives us a chance to rest, be creative, and connect with our family and friends.
I hope we can talk about free time again soon and maybe even plan a day out together.
That is a wonderful idea. I would love to join you on an outdoor adventure or a relaxing day in the park.
Thank you, Lily, for this wonderful conversation. I feel happy and motivated to use my free time wisely.
Thank you, Jack. I feel the same. Have a great day and enjoy every moment of your free time.
You too, Lily. Take care and see you soon.
Goodbye, Jack.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.